Namaste children, welcome back to 10th English class. We have finished our portions. Today we are going to discuss 10th model question paper. Up to 9th standard, you wrote 60 mark questions. Okay. 10th standard, you have to write 100 mark question. For that, today we can discuss your model question paper. What are the questions you have to attend, that I tell detailing. Okay children, type of questions. Part 1, 14 questions, one word. Part 1, 14 questions, one word. What are the things you have to prepare for that? Synonyms, antonyms, vocabulary, plural, suffix, prefix, abbreviation, acronym, phrasal words, compound words, preposition, tenses, linkers. These are the things you have to prepare for that part 1. That is 14, 1 mark. Okay children. Then part 2, there also section 1, section 2, section 3. For that you have to prepare prose, poetry and grammar. Prose 2 mark and 3 mark questions. Likewise poetry 2 mark questions, that figure of speech, appreciation questions. Likewise grammar part. This part 2 is divided into section 1, section 2, section 3. Section 1 you have to prepare prose 2 marks questions. Section 2 poetry 2 mark questions. In section 3 you have to prepare grammar, active voice or passive voice, active to passive or passive to active. The question will be asked to change the voice. Likewise direct speech, indirect speech, punctuation, simple, compound, complex. Then rearrange the words to make meaningful sentences. Okay children, this is section 3. Section 4, roadmap. That already you know. In 9th standard, you learned that. You wrote in many exams. Roadmap. Then this is part 2. Now part 3. That also section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5. Okay. Part 3 you have to attend paragraph question. Section 1 you have to write prose paragraph. Section 2 poem paragraph, poetic devices, poem paraphrase. Section 3 coherent order and comprehension. Section 4 advertisement, already you learned advertisement. Then letter writing, notice writing, email writing, slogan writing. Likewise speech, article, report writing, picture comprehension, note making or summary. Likewise spot the error. Then memoriter. Section 5 you have to write memory poem. This is your part 3. Part 4 developing the hints, paragraph comprehension or poem comprehension. This is the question model for you. I will send this mark distribution and model for you. You have to, today we can discuss one question paper. Okay children. Shall we go to question paper? This is a government model question paper. Your allotted time is 3 hours. But you will get 50 minutes to read the question paper. And you have to write 100 marks. Likewise, you have to read everything in the question paper. Instructions போட்டு கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க 1 and 2. You have to read that. Check the question paper for fairness of printing. While you are writing your public exam, you will get the question paper. You have to check that question paper. If there is any lack of fairness, inform the hall supervisor immediately. Likewise, you have to use blue or black to write or underline. No color pen is allowed in the exam. Shall we go to part 1? Part 1, 14 into 1. You have to attend 14 1 marks. Choose the most suitable answer and write the code with corresponding answer. My dear children, you have to remember one thing. While you are attending the one word, you have to write the code. For example, it is given A, B, C, D. That with the option you have to write your answer. That only write the code with corresponding answer. First, choose the appropriate synonyms for italics words. Appropriate synonyms means correct meaning. 3 meanings you have to write. So, for that you have to revise glossary in the book bag and get lot of synonyms there. You have to revise that. First question. It was the gaunt face staring from the bed that brought chill to my heart. Here, 4 options are given. A, fat. B, round. C, lean. D, sad. Which is the correct option? Can you say gaunt means lean? Second question. When school began, there was a bustle. Option A, rush. B, change. C, noise. D, confusion. Can you say which is the correct answer? Yes, bustle. Correct answer is option A, rush. While writing, you have to write option. Option with answer. Third question. They continued to grapple with the changes. Option A, settle. B, fight. C, move. D, stop. Here, B option, fight is the correct answer. You have to write B, option B, fight. Likewise, put the number 3, then you write the option B, then write the answer fight. That is the correct way of writing the exam. Next, choose the appropriate antonyms for the italics words. Antonyms. Antonyms means opposite. Fourth question. The project was taken in consonance with the national policy. Consonance. For that, you have to choose the correct antonyms. Option A, agreement. B, constant. C, disagreement. D, harmony. Here, option C, disagreement is the answer. Fifth question. The sun was soothing. Option A, pleasing. B, relaxing. C, disturbing. D, burning. Which is the answer? Can you guess? Yes, option D, burning is the correct answer. Sixth question. She picked up a shoe and warmed it through the window. What's the answer? Option A, tapped. B, threw. C, struck. D, pulled. Again, answer D option, pulled is the correct answer. Seventh one. Here, 3 synonyms and 3 antonyms. Okay, children. Now, vocabulary part. Singular, plural, abbreviation likewise. Seventh one. Choose the correct plural form of loaf from following. Loaf. Loaves. Loss. 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 Which is the correct answer? All the answers you think correct because S is coming. Mostly plural we are thinking. Yes, you have to check the spelling for this. Loaves. Loaves. B option is the correct answer. L-O-A-V-E-S. Can you say same category word? Wife. Wives. Half. Halves. Likewise. Loaf. Loaves. Okay. F change into V-E-S. Eighth one. Form a derivative by adding a right prefix to the word natural. Prefix. Prefix. Pre means before. So you have to add some letters before the suffix means after the word. Okay. Here option A your, B miss, C super, D ill. Which is the correct answer? Can you say? Yes. 8th one. Number, put the number, then write the option C, supernatural. Option C is the correct answer. 9th one, choose the correct expansion of the abbreviation IMF. Abbreviation you have to write book back. Some examples are given. Already I have sent some questions, and also you have to prepare from guide also. IMF. Can you say? Option A, Indian Monetary Fund. B, International Mutual Fund. C, International Monetary Fund. D, Indian Mutual Fund. Which is the correct answer? Option C is the correct answer. International Monetary Fund. 10th question. Complete the following sentence with the most appropriate word given below. There will be a dash in the office next week. Warm up, run out, shut down, take off. Which is the correct answer? Option C, shut down is the correct answer. 11th question. Choose the suitable option to pair with alarm to form a compound word. This is compound word. Alarm. Option A, sound. B, clock. C, time. D, watch. Which is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. Alarm clock. 12th question. Fill in the blanks is the most appropriate preposition given below. He was dash the sea now. Option A, on. B, to. C, near. D, with. Which is the correct answer? Option C, near is the correct answer. 13th question. Complete the following sentence by using the most appropriate form of the tense given below. You have to revise tense. All the 12 tenses you have to revise to answer this question. The governor was dash at the wit of the youth. Option A, please. B, pleasing. C, pleased. D, please. Here past continuous was pleasing is the correct answer. Option B, pleasing is the correct answer. For this you have to revise all the tenses. 14th question. Choose the appropriate linger from the given 4 alternatives. Linger. Linger means connectives. Conjunction that are connective words. Dash, I looked up. I saw Mr. Hamel sitting motionless. A option when. B, but. C, how. D, whenever. 14th question. Option A, when is the correct answer. My dear children, this is the vocabulary part. You have to prepare very well. 14 questions. You can score 14 marks. 14 out of 14 you can score. Because this is one word. Revise well and follow this question model. Okay. Then part 2, that you have to find out the answer. I read the question and move. Any doubt you can, afterwards you can inform me. Answer any 3 of the following questions in a sentence or 2. This is 2-mark question. Here part 2 you have to write 10 2 marks. 2 into 10, 20. Section 1 prose questions. 2-mark questions. 3 questions you have to write. Prose, from the prose you have to write 3 questions. 4 questions are given. Choice is there. Any 3 you have to choose and write. 15. What are the benefits of the internet to the common man? 16. Who used Siddhar and how? 17. Who arrested Smith? What were the charges against him? 18. What prompted the seagull to fly finally? Book back questions you learn. You can answer all the questions correctly. You learn. Refer the guide for this answer. Any doubt afterwards you can inform me. Then section 2, part 2, section 2, poetry. Okay, that also 3 into 2, 6 marks. Read the following sets of poetic lines and answer any 3 of the following. Here also you have to attend 3 questions. 4 questions are given, you have to attend only 3. You will get 15 minutes to read the question. For the allotted time, you should read all the questions and decide. You have to decide which question you are going to attend. 19th question, they too aware of the sun and air and water are fed by peaceful harvest by vast long winter starved. What is a common for all of us? If you go through the line itself, you can get the answer. Besides, you have to revise thoroughly. Here itself, answer is there. What are the common for all? Can you say? Yes, sun, air, water. Sun, air and water are common for all. Mention the season referred here. Which season is mentioned here? Can you say the second line? The season is there. Winter. 20th question, began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. Who began to complain and what and for what? Who began to complain? Can you say? The cricket. Why it was, for what it was complaining? It was complaining because its cupboard was empty. Then why was his cupboard empty? Can you say? Because cricket did not save any food grains for the winter. What it was doing? It was spending its time happily. Question number 21. There is a family nobody likes to meet. They live, it is said, on complaining street. Based on that lines only questions. Where does the family live? The family lives in complaining street. The answer is here itself. Then, why do you think the street is named as complaining street? Because the street, the people would be complaining always. The street is named as complaining street because all the people of the street were complaining always. Okay, children. Question number 22. Some water, coal and oil is all we ask, and 1,000th of an inch to give us play. Who does we refer to? We refers to the machines. What do they ask for? They ask for water, coal and oil. See, this is very easy because the answer is hidden in the line itself. So, you can write easily and score your mark. Poetry, you can concentrate, you will get full mark. Okay, 3 into 2, 6 mark you can score. You all, my advice to you children, you have to try this question paper and check yourself. I will send answer also and assess yourself how many questions you can score. You can attend and score good mark. And 3 hours you want to sit in proper place and write for 3 hours and complete all these questions and assess yourself. This is the section 2 poetry. The section 3 grammar. Okay. There also 3 into 2, 6 marks. Answer any 3 of the following. 4 questions. 5 questions are given. Okay, children. Rewrite the following sentence to the other voice. You know, 2 voices were there. Active voice and passive voice. If the question is given in active, you have to change into passive. If the question is given in passive, you have to change into active. Here, I noticed a sudden change in Aditya's face. you have to change into passive because active is given. What is the answer? Yeah, I noticed. What is the tense given? Past tense. Okay. So answer is a sudden change in Aditya's face was noticed by me. By plus I, by me. Rewrite using indirect speech. How did he get it? He asked. How will you change into indirect speech? He asked how he had got it because past tense is given. So you have to change into past perfect. He had got it. Then punctuate the following. Stand back, stand right, back he cried. So up to stand to back you have to use quotation. You have to write in quotation. Stand is capital, stand back, exclamation mark, stand right, back exclamation mark, close the quotation, comma, then he cried, full stop. Okay children, you have to revise that. One day we can discuss this punctuation also. Likewise, 26th question, transform the following sentence into simple sentence. He is sick but he attends the rehearsal. In spite of being sick, he attended the rehearsal. Likewise, rearrange the words in correct order to make meaningful sentences. One sentence is, two sentences are given. It is shuffled. You have to arrange in meaningful. Rearrange it and make it a meaningful sentence. Here, he sent at the for me. I was a time clerk. How we can rearrange that? At the time he sent for me, I was a clerk. Next, slept, but on, zigzag, undisturbed. Can you say? But zigzag, slept, undisturbed, on undisturbed. Okay children, this is the section 3. Section 4, writing competencies, that is compulsory question. Okay children, 28 is compulsory for you. Compulsory question, you have to write the 28th question. A stranger wants to go to the park, get him to reach the destination. You have to write the 3 instructions in your straight, right, left. These are the keywords you have to use there. Go straight, take left, right. Likewise, you have to write. Next, then part 3. Part 3, section 1, prose. 10 into 5, 50 marks. This part 3, first paragraph, lesson paragraph. Answer any 2 of the following in at most 10 lines. You have to write 1 page. Okay, 5 mark questions. Narrate the 29 question. Narrate the exclusive search operation made by the policeman in the house in the story The Night and the Ghost Got In. Highlight the factors responsible for all women Indian Navy crew to carry out their expedition. Give an account of the last day of Mr. Hamel in school. Give a brief character sketch of Sasank Sanyal. From this you have to write 2 paragraphs. Okay children, revise well. Likewise, poetry also, section 2 poetry, that also you have to write 2 questions. 33, write a paragraph on the Grumble family and their attitude towards other folks. What feeling are evoked in us by the machines in the poem The Secret of Machine? Likewise, 35th question, read the following stanza and answer the following questions given below. That you have to decide whether you are going to write that appreciation question or 36th question is paraphrase of the stanza. Paraphrase means you have to write in prose. The poetry prosa mati sentence ledana, that is paraphrase. Okay, You have to decide which question you are going to attend. No compulsory questions, I think here. No compulsory. You have to choose your easy questions. Paragraph is easy. You can write one paragraph, one paraphrase, and appreciation likewise you can write, but you have to attempt 2 questions. Okay, children. Then section 3, supplementary. Supplementary, 1 5-mark questions. Answer any one of the following. Rearrange the following sentence in coherent order. Bookil eppadi order irukkudo, likewise you have to rearrange the order, okay, according to the story wise. 38th question. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. That is comprehension. Comprehension means to understand. You understand? Right, the answer is there. You have to select and write, choose and write. Sometime one answer is confusing. You have to think and write. Section 4, writing. That also answer any 4 of the following. That is on writing. Prepare attractive advertisement using the hints given below. I will take one class for you to how to prepare advertisement. Already 8th standard and 9th standard you learn. Again I will teach that. Here one advertisement likewise. 40th question. Write a letter to the headmaster or headmistress of your school requesting for a bona fide certificate. Then letter writing, one advertisement, then letter writing. Then you are Kiran or Kirti, school people leader of GHHS Karur, prepare a notice on behalf of your school inviting all the students of your school to take part in the science club inauguration which is to be held in your school on 22nd of this month. Notice writing, advertisement, letter writing. We can discuss some other classes. Look at the following picture and express your views on it about 5 sentences. Then picture comprehension, watching the picture and you have to write that. Okay, so write 5 sentences. Then 43, question number 43, make a note or write summary of the following questions. Note, mukyamana points eduthu edutana, adu the note. Summary writing also we can discuss. 44, identify the correct error in the following sentence. Error spotting. Likewise, section 4, it is compulsory memoriter, memory poem, manapada pagudi. Sorry, section 5, memoriter. Quote from memory, remember, nomen, to air and water. You have to, all the memoriter, you have to revise very well. Then part 4, supplementary. Write a paragraph of about 150 words by developing the following hints. Hints development, that is supplementary paragraph, that also you have to prepare. That see, your mark is 1 into 8 mark questions you have to prepare very well. Okay children, you want to write the topic, then you have to mention the author and develop these hints. In guide that is there. Part 5, general comprehension, that also you will get 8 mark. 8 mark questions, this and all. Read the following paragraph and answer the questions given below. This is general paragraph. You have to read 2-3 times. You have to minimum. You have to read. Then only you go to question. You have to understand. Comprehension meaning itself understand. Comprehend means understand. Understand and answer. Likewise, general comprehension illame another option is there, or poem comprehension. Read the following poem and answer the questions given below. Which you feel easy, you can attend. That is the question model. My dear children, I think you will get an idea. If you didn't get also, no problem. We can discuss, and what are the things you don't know, I will teach you. Okay, thank you children.